Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making mango sticky rice. We need to soak a half a cup of sweet glutinous rice in a half cup of water for a minimum of 2 hours up to overnight, which I did. The next day we're going to drain our rice carefully and line a steamer basket with a little cheesecloth and tip our rice on and spread this out evenly. Now the steamer setup I'm using is just a pot of boiling water. You want to make sure the water doesn't touch the bottom of your basket. Put a lid on that and let that steam for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, we need to heat up a half cup of coconut milk with a quarter cup of sugar and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to mix that just until the sugar is dissolved before removing half and setting that aside. To a tablespoon of our hot coconut milk, we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of cornstarch and thicken this up. Just heat this over low heat. Set that aside and let that cool. Now this is the thing I didn't have in my kitchen, one ripe mango, so I did buy this separately. So we're going to peel this up and then cut it a half an inch from the center so we don't hit that seed. And this is a very, very slippery ripe mango, so just be careful as you're cutting. Just scraping off any of these stringy bits and cutting into thin slices. Now our rice is steamed. We're going to tip this into a large bowl along with our reserved coconut milk, just so this can soak up and sweeten our rice. And we're going to let this cool for 20 minutes. Mix, 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 and set that aside. After 20 minutes, we can go ahead and plate this very simple, easy dish. Now I'm using my rice bowl because I like the shape it gives my rice. Just popping that in there, shake, 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 and plating this in the center of our serving dish. Perfect. Now I formed some roses with the mango in a ring mold right on top, drizzling on our thickened coconut milk. Now I should have kept the rest of this mango off. I need to start learning a little better plating techniques so it looks prettier, but I digress. I went ahead and added the rest of this mango because I didn't want it to go to waste. But it did look prettier with just the rose on top. Oh well. Then we are going to sprinkle on a little sesame seed. Now I like to add a little lime zest for a pop of color and a little acidity to cut through the sweetness of this very simple, very delicious dish. And this is looking absolutely beautiful. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The rice still has a little bite to it. It's beautifully sweet but not too sweet. The mango is tropical, juicy, sweet. The lime adds a little acidity, as I mentioned earlier, and the sweetened coconut milk adds a beautiful sweetness on top of this. And this was so easy to make and absolutely delicious. But there it is, mango sticky rice. I hope you'll try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.